Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel AI Expert Zone. Today, we're kicking off the first lecture in our brand new series of tutorials on Generative AI Bootcamp. Whether you're new to AI or just looking to expand your knowledge, this series is the perfect place to start. So here's what we have lined up for today. We'll start by introducing Generative AI, but to grasp it, we'll first take a step back. We'll cover the basics. What is artificial intelligence? What is machine learning? And what is deep learning? These foundational concepts will help us get the full picture of what generative AI is all about. Then, we'll recap and dive deeper into generative AI. Finally, we'll talk about something called ChatGPT, see it in action, and discuss why there's so much hype around generative AI right now. You hear about it everywhere on the internet, so let's get started. So what exactly is generative AI? As the name suggests, it's a blend of generative and artificial intelligence, AI that generates something new. Now, conventional AI isn't a new concept. It's been around for a while and is used in a variety of applications. For instance, when you see recommendation systems on Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify, when Google Maps estimates your arrival time, or when you watch a Tesla self-drive, that's AI in action. These are examples of conventional AI systems. But generative AI takes things a step further. It gives you the ability to create new content. Let's look at some real-world examples. I can go to Google Gemini or ChatGPT and ask it to write a script for me. It's not pulling this from a file, it's generating the text from scratch. Or I could use Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, another generative model, to create an image of a royal dog. And there you have it, a dog's image, freshly generated. Another example is Google's MusicLM, which can generate music from your text descriptions. In all these cases, what's key is that new content is being generated. It's not coming from any existing document or database. It's being produced fresh, right before our eyes. So here's our working definition. Generative AI is an expanded frontier of artificial intelligence capabilities that allow you to generate new content, whether it's text, images, audio, videos, or even source code. Conventional AI systems focus on analyzing data, making predictions, or categorizing information. But with generative AI, we're talking about creating something entirely new. To recap, generative AI is all about using artificial intelligence to create new content, whether it's text, images, music, or anything else. It's a powerful extension of AI capabilities, and the possibilities are endless. But before we dive deeper, it's important to understand the fundamentals, like what exactly is AI, how machine learning works, and what role deep learning play. These concepts are the building blocks of generative AI. In the next video, we'll explore these foundational concepts: AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Once we have those fundamentals down, we'll return to generative AI and really dig into what makes it so revolutionary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.